Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC, model GeForce RTX 8040A17, is a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand high performance, stunning visuals, and seamless multitasking. At its heart, this system is powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, a 20-core beast running at 2.1 GHz base frequency, capable of turbo speeds that handle everything from AAA gaming to video editing with absolute ease. Paired with the Intel B760 chipset, it ensures stability, quick data transfer, and maximum system optimization, so you can push your performance without any compromises. For memory and storage, the Gamer Xtreme VR comes with 16 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM, providing lightning-fast multitasking for gaming, streaming, or creative workloads. This is coupled with a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, which means you get incredibly fast boot times, near-instant loading of large games, and smooth file transfers, ensuring you spend more time playing and less time waiting. Graphics are where this PC really shines. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti with 16 GB of dedicated VRAM delivers stunning visuals, incredible frame rates, and full support for ray tracing and AI-enhanced DLSS. Whether you're exploring expansive open-world games, competing in fast-paced esports, or diving into VR adventures, the visuals remain sharp, smooth, and immersive. You'll experience lifelike textures, vibrant colors, and fluid motion with every frame. Connectivity is extensive, allowing you to build a complete gaming setup with ease. There are 2 USB-C 3.2 ports, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, and 4 USB-A 2.0 ports, giving you flexibility for peripherals, controllers, and external storage. Add in Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a LAN port, and you got ultra-fast, low-latency networking for online gaming and streaming. Plus, the 7.1-channel audio support ensures your games and media sound as good as they look. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme isn't just about performance. It's designed with style and functionality in mind. The tempered side panel gives a sleek, modern look, and custom RGB lighting lets you personalize your setup with vibrant colors. It also comes with a keyboard and mouse, so you can start gaming right out of the box without having to worry about additional peripherals. Finally, CyberPowerPC offers peace of mind with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, along with free lifetime tech support, ensuring you're covered in case of any issues. This combination of cutting-edge hardware, immersive graphics, and premium support makes the Gamer Xtreme VR an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming or VR experience to the next level. In short, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a high-performance, future-ready machine that handles modern games, VR, and multitasking effortlessly, all wrapped in a stylish, gamer-friendly chassis. Whether you're a competitive gamer, content creator, or just want a powerful system that won't slow down, this PC delivers performance, reliability, and a true next-level gaming experience.